said doctors' offices are filled with people looking for relief. And if you think there are more people sick than usual, you're right. CBS 42 News reporter Brittany Bivens talked to doctors to figure out why.
Jim, from Alabama's schools closing early to flu to those of us suffering from the common cold and missing work, there is a lot going around. And it's not all the same sickness.
Changed this earlier. It really looks nasty.
John Bart Playing is back to working on his car after beating a nasty bout of flu.
And then I felt really sick. My body felt weak. That is how I experienced the flu this year. And fever too.
His doctor, Michael Vaughn at MedHelp 280, says this is a familiar story.
A lot of people have the flu. We've been swamped the last couple of weeks.
I was shocked that I got the flu because I'd taken the flu shot.
Another familiar story. Dr. Vaughn says plenty of his patients did get the flu shot.
Sometimes they get it right, and they get the right dose or the right virus in the vaccine, and sometimes they get it wrong.
But it's not just the flu flooding doctors' offices.
Deep breath.
Dr. Vaughn says this is the season of upper respiratory infections, sinusitis, and pneumonia. And to know which one you have to take stock of your symptoms.
Cold, you don't usually run a high fever. You usually don't ache all over. It usually is a gradual thing. You can feel it coming on. Whereas with the flu, it's sudden, it's mean, and you get a temperature.
Now, we've also seen these sicknesses sweeping our newsroom, so I asked Dr. Vaughn for a quick diagnosis of my own symptoms, and he said that in case of coughing, sneezing, and aching sinuses, it is probably just a bad cold. Live in the studio, Brittany Bivens, CBS 42 News.